So in this video, we are going to solve problems from exercise 2.2, which belongs to chapter number 2, polynomials. So let's look at the problem number 1. So the problem number 1 reads, find the value of the polynomial this, okay, at these three different values of x. So we will substitute x equal to 0, find the value of this polynomial. We will substitute x equal to minus 1, find the value of this polynomial. And finally, we will substitute x equal to 2 and find the value of this polynomial. Okay, so let us begin. So first of all, I'm going to say let p of x, okay, be equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. This is our given polynomial. Okay, now let us draw a chart here. Yes, okay, and let's say this is the value of x, this is the value of p of x. Okay, let's draw this line. And what is the first value of x? The first value of x is 0. Now, yes. Now let us substitute x equal to 0. So I am going to draw one more line here, like this. Okay. So put x equal to 0. Okay. So therefore p of 0 will be equal to. So what we do is wherever there is x, we substitute 0. Okay. As simple as that. So this is 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. Okay. So 5 into 0 is 0 minus 4 into 0 square is 0 plus 3, and that is equal to 3. So for p of x, for x equal to 0, we have p of x as equal to 3. Now let us erase this. Yes, erase this. Okay. Now we are going to put x equal to minus 1. So x equal to minus 1, and therefore p of minus 1 will be equal to 5 into minus 1, okay, minus 4 into minus 1 the whole square plus 3. Okay, so that is equal to minus 5 minus 4 into, what is minus 1 square? It is 1. So 1 plus 3. Okay, so that is equal to minus 5 minus 4 plus 3. So that is equal to, what is minus 5 minus 4? That is minus 9 plus 3. And what is minus 9 plus 3? That is minus 6. Okay, so for x is equal to minus 1, the value we get is minus 6. Okay, so for different values of x, we'll get different value of p of x. Yes, so again, let's erase this. And now the final value of x is equal to 2. So I'm just going to make a note here, x equal to 2. So let's substitute. Yes, let's put x as equal to 2. So therefore, we'll get p of 2 as equal to 5 into 2, wherever x you put 2, minus 4 into 2 square, okay, plus 3. Now that is equal to 5 into 2 is 10 minus 4, 2 square is also 4 plus 3. Now that is equal to 10 minus 4 into 4 is 16 plus 3. Okay. Now 10 minus 16 is minus 6 plus 3, and minus 6 plus 3 is equal to minus 3. So we get here minus 3. Okay. So thus, yes, thus for these three values of x, we get these three different values of p of x. Now there will be certain value of x where p of x will be 0, and that will be called as the root of the polynomial or 0 of the polynomial. So that's the general concept. But anyway, they have not asked in this question, they have not asked us to find the root or the 0 of a polynomial. It's just a simple substitution problem. So let's erase all this. That's all for question number 1. Now let's move to our question number 2. So let's get rid of this. Okay. Now the question number 2 reads, find P0, P1 and P2 for each of the following polynomials. So we are given 4 polynomials and we have to find P0, P1, P2. Quite similar to the previous question number 1. Okay. We are given these values of x now, 0, 1, 2, and we have to find the values of each of these polynomials. So we are not going to solve all the problems because they are more or less the same. I'm just going to solve problem number 1 and problem number 4. These are the only two problems that we'll solve in this video. The remaining two are quite similar, so we'll skip them. So let's start with the first one. Okay, so let's first find p of 0. So P of 0 will be equal to 0 square minus 0 plus 1. Okay, that is equal to 0 minus 0 plus 1. That is equal to 1. Okay, so P of 0 is equal to 1. Now let us find here. I'll just make it a straight line. Yes. So let us find here P of 1. Okay, P of 1 will be, so we are focusing on the same polynomial. Let me in fact highlight it, this polynomial. Okay. Okay, so let us find P of 1. P of 1 will be equal to 1 square minus 1 plus 1. Okay, that is equal to 1 square is 1 minus 1 plus 1. Now 1 minus 1 is 0 plus 1, and that is equal to 1. So P of 1 is equal to 1. And finally we are supposed to find P of 2. Now again, this is a polynomial. Okay, y square minus y plus 1. So wherever there is y, you substitute 2. So this will be 2 square minus 2 plus 1. What is 2 square? 4 minus 2 plus 1. What is 4 minus 2? That is 2 plus 1, and 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, so this is P of 0, this is P of 1, and this is P of 2 for the first polynomial. Yes, so let's erase all this. So the first polynomial is done. I'm going to erase this. Yes. Now let us move our focus to the fourth polynomial that is given to us, P of x. P of x equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. Once again, we will find P0, P1 and P2 for this. So again, it's quite simple and straightforward thing to do. There's not much complication in this. P of 0 will be equal to what? 0 minus 1, okay, into 0 plus 1. So what is 0 minus 1? It's minus 1. What is 0 plus 1? It's 1. What is minus 1 into 1? That is equal to minus 1. So this is P of 0. Now let's find P of 1. So P of 1, let's move it here. P of 1 will be equal to 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. What is 1 minus 1? 0. What is 1 plus 1? 2. 0 into 2 is 0. So this becomes P of 1. And what will be P of 2? P of 2 will be equal to 2 minus 1 and 2 plus 1. Okay. What is 2 minus 1? 1. What is 2 plus 1? 3. So 1 into 3 is 3. Okay. Quite simple mathematical operations, addition and subtractions and multiplications. Now note, for this value of x1, we have got the value of the polynomial at 0, which means 1 is the root or the 0 of this polynomial. Okay, but anyway, that is not what they have asked. So it was a simple problem, problem number 1 and problem number 2 from exercise 2.2.